IFT targeting those balls. They shoot from their home zone. They lock, they load, they shoot, they score. They miss the bonus ball. Meanwhile, TSH1 making nearly every shot from their safe zone. This match is a scoring frenzy. TSH brings those balls in their machine. As they drive around the field, they on the line. They back up a little bit. They shoot, they score. 1, 2. 2 for 3. One of those being a bonus ball. With these teams so neck and neck, the all-time bonus and the bonus balls mean a lot. We still have 20 seconds, and this field is nearly cleared of balls. Just over 10 seconds remain. TSH looks like they want to try and lift. Out comes the drawbridge. They go up. IFT is up. 3 seconds remain. Then they run out of time.